Literally more.
Leandro, está mortal acá.
So hi everyone, my name is Theo. I wish you welcome on board. My brother is Frane, he's the captain. So first of all, we go to visit the military tunnel. It's just 20 minutes from here. Later on, we're gonna go to the island of Brac. So first of all, we're gonna take a look on the Green Cave. We're gonna have a swimming at Skinima Bay, and later we're gonna continue further to Comisia. At Comisia, you're gonna have a lunch time around 2 hours. We'll see approximately, depends about the schedule on the cave. So anyway, we're gonna have around 2 hours in the Comisia where you're gonna have your time, and you can have a lunch or coffee or maybe take a swim. In the meantime, before the Comisia, we're gonna have small snack and some wine and rakia if you would like, and of course the swimming is before the Green Cave. So first to the military tunnel, then a Green Cave, swimming, Blue Cave, and back to Comisia. So if you have any questions, please, we are here, so you can ask me. You can go also further, maybe have a seat in front. It's going to be a nice day today, so enjoy it, everyone.
Thank you.
Yes, if you need a look, it's just inside on the right.